Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to once again our lecture, and the topic is problem of rural community. Is it true that Indian villages are undergoing rapid changes now? These changes have not always brought positive result in all sphere of village life. There are a large number of villages which suffer from major problems such as poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, indebtedness, superstition, and alike. Problems faced by the rural community are as follows. First one is poverty. Poverty is a socio-economic phenomenon in which a section of society, especially rural society, is not able to fulfill even its basic necessities of life. Means they can't afford any basic needs, for example, food, cloth, shelter, etc. A vast majority of rural population works in villages under the grim shadow of poverty, unemployment, as well as pitiable economic condition. Large portion of the rural poor are small and marginal farmers, agricultural laborers, and rural artisans, which one is shows in the first PPT. Second one is illiteracy related to education. When compared to the urban population, illiteracy continues to be rampant in rural areas. Primary education is the fundamental right of every child, and accordingly, the government has made special provision, for example, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, for the same. High illiteracy rates among the children as well as adults continue even to this day because of inadequate and budgetary provision for the rural education. The quality of education in rural areas is a matter of grave concern despite various programs and provisions. Miss, the educational awareness is not there. Yeah, inadequate facilities, especially inadequate educational facilities in rural areas. Next, traditionalism, conversion, and superstition. Rural India till date can be called a conservative society because it still hold on the traditional mindsets and their beliefs. Conformity to traditional customs, religion, and way of life still holds sway. There is usually a reluctance of relation to change their way of life and outlook. Rural folk are slow to change and very often resist changes. Change is unwelcome due to habit, fear of the unknown, also encourage a fatalistic attitude. Miss traditionalism and conservatism as well as superstition in the rural areas. Next, caste influenced. The traditional rights, authorities, and sanction based on caste hierarchy may not be apparent today. However, it is so deeply intertwined in people's mind that is permits social interaction. Nevertheless, in the ordinary sanction of daily life, village people tend to cooperate with each other. Members of each caste have their assigned role at common festivals, and those are carried out with willingness. Means all the people of the society come together and work specially for society. Next, farmers society. is one of the serious problem in Maharashtra also. The phenomenon of suicide by farmers is especially worrisome for India because the majority of workforce is dependent on agriculture for its livelihood. A large percentage of farmers who took their own lives were financially indebted. Undoubtedly, there has been a little positive impact of economic reforms in the agriculture sector in India, and some cases it has been showing negative trends. Especially agriculture sector is one of the major sector in Indian society, but this one is a weaker. Next, low status of women. As a result of the control of family, religion, custom and tradition, a subordinate status is given to women on the whole. Patriarchal values and practices pervade all aspects of social life. This, in turn, feeds discriminatory practices and gender stereotyping, gender inequality also. Next one is family dispute. This is a common problem in rural areas, conflict over land holdings. Due to this, many joint families have broken and land has become divided to such an extent that it is hardly cultivable. For example, even if land is as a small as well as 1 acre gets divided into 4 shares, it becomes uneconomic to cultivate the same. Rural farmers suffer due such property disputes, and their children are then not motivated to continue farming on land that is in a state of dispute, because this one is agriculture is one of the major dependent areas, but this one is a problem related to the small holdings. They can't afford to act all these activities related to the agriculture. This is the problem of rural areas, rural community. But the problem is serious now, just like the farmer suicide, you have low status of women, etc. Now, which type of efforts taken by the government and social society? Efforts for rural development. Rural social change has been among the most important subject of study in the developing countries since 1950, partly because major national efforts in these countries have been directed towards economic development, and such efforts have been located in predominantly agrarian social settings. What is the direction of social change in rural community? Indian sociologist A.R. Desai had tried to identify some patterns of rural transformation as a result of development programs. He had identified 4 major trends of rural social change. First, rapid transformation of agriculture society from subsistence economy to market economy. Means subsistence economy to market economy. Rapid transformation followed by the introduction of modern technology. Means they use modern technology. Abolition of intermediary such zamindari systems. Emergence of various associations and institutions having linkage with urban and national organization. In the light of views A.R. Desai, we see change in rural economy due to efforts of the government. After independence, the Community Development Program was started in the year 1952. It was initiative meant, meant for the for all development villages. The aim of CPD means Common Development Program was facilitated involvement and participation of the village community for its own welfare. Later on, in 1957, Panchayati Raj system, means local self-government, was started. The Integrated Rural Development Program (IRDP) replaced by the CPD. Some recent schemes for rural development is schemes for the rural development launched by the Government of India are Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana, Swaraj Swर्ण Jayanti Gram Swarajgar Yojana, National Rural Livelihood Mission, Prime Minister Rural Development Fellow Scheme, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, मनरेगा या संपूर्ण ग्रामीण रोजगार योजना, सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, संसद आदर्श ग्राम योजना, नेशनल सोशल असिस्टेंस प्रोग्राम, प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना या इंदिरा आवास योजना, etc. That type of some important development related to the Indian rural society, Indian rural community. The Indian rural community has undergone considerable changes, particularly since independence. As a result of series of land reform legislation have accelerated the pace of this change. Rural and urban community have continuous interaction among them due to the interdependence. For example, dependence of city people or a urban community on the farming community for agriculture produce. Likewise, the rural communities are dependent on urban areas for new technology to new enhance agriculture production. Gradually, some sense of heterogeneity becomes imminent in rural characteristics. Thank you.